Evolution is the evil, ridiculous religion responsible for all the bad stuff going on in society today. By denying God, evolution drives kids to drugs, to have abortions, and have sex with each other. It goes a little something like this. First, there was nothing, and then it exploded. That's right, stay with me here, these people actually spew out this nonsense. Okay, so after nothing exploded, we have the evolution of the elements. Bits of stuff randomly formed together into the elements we know today, like hydrogen, helium, water, iron, and silicon. These elements then randomly formed into galaxies. True Christian scientists have proven that the probability of this happening is less than 1 in 10 to the 85th expedition. This is serious math, people, done by Christians with PhDs from reputable Bible colleges. Seriously, these guys have lists of qualifications as long as my arm. Anyway, these galaxies have stars in their centers, and around them orbit planets which depend on gravity being coincidentally exactly right. And I mean exactly right. Like, even if it was off by 1 part in 10 to the 69th expedition, these planets would crash into the star or escape gravity never to be seen again. Evolutionists claim that, by random chance, gravity, along with a score of other complicated force constants, managed to be exactly right for the universe we live in. Now that's faith. Anyway, so one of these planets was Earth. One day a bolt of lightning struck a mud puddle and formed the cell. Cells are like tiny but very complicated factories. They are incredibly complex. Despite the obvious origin of these cells, evolutionists believe that a bolt of lightning randomly assembled a fully functional cell. This creates an interesting trap for the evolutionists because it demands that a jar of peanut butter must randomly put together life. It's why evolutionists will refuse to speak to you if you show them peanut butter, because they don't want to admit the failure of the peanut butter to produce life means that Jesus did it. So, after 1,000,000 years, these cells grew, randomly, into monkeys. You heard me right, the cells grew into monkeys. It makes you wonder why there are so many other kinds of animals, like squirrels and lions and trees and grass and pelicans. Anyway, so there were these monkeys, and we all know that this never happens, and the fact that we've never seen this proves that evolution isn't true, but evolutionists believe that a monkey gave birth to a human. So that's how the evolutionists claim we came about. Why won't these people realize the perfectly rational explanation? I find it revolting that there are actually people who teach this stuff, even to children.